Morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Chris, are you here for Jason Lester?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, that's what I figured.
Yeah, just covering for him today.
Morning, Rafa. Morning, Trey.
Morning, Scott.
Hey, good morning.
And Chris, Lester, Jason.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
here covering for Jason.
Got a deposition out of state.
He is in Tulsa.
The dog didn't freak, the dog don't freak out, huh?
Well, they were barking last night,
Yeah.
so we didn't know what they were barking at. Why, they were barking? Huh?
Yes, and they're hiding in the closet.
Like a thunderstorm?
You're muted, Judge.
All right, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, good morning, everyone. The 357 District Court will call its court into session for today's docket, Tuesday, May 24th, 2022. Starting with civil hearing, 2019 DCL 4592. Didn't I just have a hearing regarding this one?
Yes.
And this was, why are we back?
Your Judge, Scott Frederick for the plaintiffs, on Friday late afternoon, evening time, the plaintiffs got an email from the court, from the judge in another case in Oasis County, telling us we have pre-trial on this Friday, May 27th, for starting trial May 31st. I put a call in to the other counsel in this case, in large part, Judge, because if you may recall, on this Friday, May 27th, there are a lot of items on the court's docket for this matter. There's a lot of motions by submission. There was going to be a lot of hearings by Zoom on expert issues. And all of the counsel thought it was a good idea to bring it to the court's attention sooner rather than later, because we will be in trial, Judge, that the May 31st trial, I anticipate it going at least through June 13th. And because of that trial, some of the experts that are currently scheduled in this case, we will not be able to have their deposition. So instead of having the court prepare all of those items that were set for hearing on Friday, While we didn't want to wait until then to bring up a continuance issue, Judge, out of deference to the court, the court's
Well, I'm not
time.
gonna continue. Did I tell you I was
Uh,
gonna continue this case?
Excuse me, Judge?
Did I,
What's that,
did I ever tell you I was gonna continue this case?
No, Judge, and that's what
All right.
today is for. We filed an agreed
What's going
motion.
on in another court is irrelevant to me. Because if you had that conflict the day I set this setting, you would have told me that. So if the other case in Nueces came in afterwards, and I'm not gonna relent, I'm gonna call that district judge. What court are you in?
Judge, it's Judge Gonzalez in Court 2.
Court what?
Court County Court at Law number 2, Judge Gonzalez. And I have the case number in the motion for continuance, Judge.
I will call him.
And part of our concern is that if we're in trial, we currently have at least 4 depositions in this case that we would not be able to take because we are in trial in that other matter.
Well, again, you're suspecting you're gonna be in trial. When is this case is set for what, the 31st?
The other one is set for May 31st, and I think it might roll over into June 13th. I think there's
When
some
are you
hope
set
that
for trial here? June 13th?
correct, Judge. And
Mr. Frederick, thou protest too much. You're going to trial in my court. When I gave you a continuance the last time and I gave it to June, I made it clear. I made it very clear. The only way I will relent if that other case is older. If it's a newer case at county court, I'm not gonna take a second seat to that. You're coming to court trial in my case.
understood.
So I will be in touch with you later this morning. I am going to call Judge. What is the cause number? It's in the motion you said?
It is in the motion. It's calls 2018 CCV 62427.
All right. You'll hear from me later this morning after I confer with that judge. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. 2022 DCL 1071, Rodriguez.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Do you want me to swear him in, Judge?
Yeah. Raise your right hand, Mr. Rodriguez.
Your right hand, sir.
Right.
Do you solemnly swear from the testimony given be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I'm sorry?
I do.
Thank you.
All right. Your name is Anthony Rodriguez and you have petitioned for divorce against Michaela Marie Rodriguez, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You allege in your petition that you were married to Michaela Rodriguez on or about April 6, 2016, and you stopped living together as husband and wife on or about February 1st of this year of 2022, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You're alleging the grounds for divorce from Ms. Rodriguez is that your marriage to her has become insupportable because of discord and conflict of personality that destroys the legitimate ends of the marriage relationship and prevents any reasonable expectation of reconciliation. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
You have no children and none are expected or adopted in the marriage. Is that correct?
Correct, sir.
There are no minor children.
No, sir.
All right. And what is the agreement you have regarding division of community property?
She's selling the house, sir. She's about to leave the property. So she's selling it, and whatever revenue that comes from it, she'll just split it half with me.
And do you have a divorce decree that says all of that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And what else do you have?
That's it, sir. We discussed everything else amongst ourselves, and that was it.
All right. And your respondent is requesting a change of name to Michaela Marie Beck. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, and you're asking for this court for a divorce.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to sign the final decree of divorce that you have filed, and whether it's right or wrong, that's up to you, Mr. Rodriguez, and you will have to grapple with it if it's wrong, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so the court will take judicial notice of all documents and files. The court will find that it has jurisdiction by virtue of the domiciliary requirements. The court, having heard the testimonial evidence of petitioner in support of his petition for divorce, hereby grants the divorce as prayed for. Hereby orders the division of the assets as stated on the record, that dividing the home, the homestead, selling the homestead, and dividing the proceeds between the parties 50-50 after reasonable expenses. And all parties to remain in the property, in their personal property in their possession. And the court hereby grants a change of name from Michaela Marie Rodriguez to Michaela Marie Beck. Anything else, Mr. Rodriguez?
No, sir. That'd be it. Thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.